Another unique part about WeatherWeld, continuing the theme, is the ability for WeatherWeld in a seamless manner in one step to do what would be impossible for other roofs. So in this case, I have a electrical connection, two water pipes, a 3-inch conduit going through the roof, and a conduit that's close to the curb with very little transition space that's going through the roof deck. And then if I come over here, it gets even worse, because while I have all this here, now I have this light can, and then I also have a vertical connection and a transition into a duct that's penetrating through the curb. So in this case, I have 7 things to worry about, all in this little detail area right now, that if this was a roll-based system like single ply, there would be 28 welds that go into making single ply even semi close to being watertight here for this detail. Now, it wouldn't be warranted, it would be excluded because it's not flat, it doesn't meet the standard industry guidelines. There's not 8 inches of space in between the in this case, this light can and this in order to make a solid termination. But WeatherWeld's awesome because it can take this entire thing, which is a nightmare for the roofing business, and be able to make this one encapsulated piece. Not only encapsulating the curb, the duct or the penetration that's going through the curb, the light can, the narrow transition of the pipe to the curb, the pipe that's on top of the curb, the two water connections, and the electrical connection, all making it one seamless encapsulated piece from, in this case, the top of this curb all the way down to the bottom of the drain.